Hello, everyone. I decided to prepare some short videos for managers in nonprofit organizations and private organizations and even government organizations, or even for those people who are interested in management science, but they are not managers yet. So our first topic is change. Oh my God, this is a scary topic. What am I going to change in my organization? What is the scope of the change? I know it's a challenging question, but the answer is quite simple. If you consider your organization as a NASCAR car, you can change the oil, you can change the tire, kind of small changes in your organization. Or you can change the car. Oh my God, even you can change the driver, or you can change the whole team. So those are big changes. You can also change the road. Wait a minute. So you cannot change the road in a NASCAR car, but in real life, you can change the path of your organization. It's just a metaphor. Or you can even change yourself. Yes, that's correct. And the takeaway for today is change only those that need to be changed. Nothing more, nothing less. Change whatever is necessary to change. Thank you for listening. Be safe and healthy.